The people at Shelby Dental Care Center are amazing. You work with these people day after day, and so you really do become more like a family. And it's not just...
Also, a lot of them used to work in the circus, so they can do tricks. Like, I don't know if you've met Dr. Lackey yet, but she can actually use all of the equipment with her feet because she used to be like a tightrope walker. So we actually set up a tightrope in her office so she can tightrope and do root canals.
It is entertaining. Yeah, it's entertaining. It really is. I think about some other stuff that she does, and we'll come back to that.
Okay.
We can just ignore him. I mean, we'll just keep going this way.
She can juggle fire.
But not in the building. That's a fire hazard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We make her go outside to juggle the fire.
Yeah, we make Dr. Lackey go outside to juggle the fire. I'm just going to play along for a second because I don't know where he's going with this. And honestly, he's like right here. And it's just getting tough. So I'm just going to keep moving forward here.
Sure.
Yeah.